Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandur. We are discussing about the first chapter, 10th class first chapter, real number. What is real number? I am giving the definition. What is that? It is a combination of all numbers, whatever learned till that in the earlier classes. The combination numbers means rational number, whole number, integer, rational number, and irrational number. It is a combination of all number. It is called as real number. Okay, ma, we are discussing the 1.2 in earlier classes. We are completing the up to 5th bit. Today we are discussing about the 6th one problem. Okay, what is the 6th one problem? Which digit would be occupy the unit place? Okay, unit place. What is meant by unit place means any number is there. I am taking the 4, 2, 7 means the first place is unit place. Okay, the first place is called unit place. When we what about the 6 power 100 value? The value in the last unit is, what is the last unit of 6 power 10? Which digit would occupy the unit place of 6 to the power of 100? 6 to the power of 100. When we do the 6 to the power of 100, the whatever value is get, that value, what is the unit place? What is the unit place? What is the value of in unit place? We have to find. Okay, we know that. Okay, we know that when we add the 6 to the power of n, 6 to the power of 1 ma. Okay, what we get? 6 only. Okay, 6 to the power of 2 means 6 6 36. 6 to the power of 3 means 216 means 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 36. 36 6 216. 6 to the power of 4 we get 1296 means we are taking the numbers, we are when we increase the powers while we increasing the power, the whatever values get, observe the what is the unit place unit place is 6 6 6 6, because what we with the help of this pattern, what we get while we increasing the power, whatever value is get, the unit place should be always 6 Okay, can I follow my points whatever, while we are increasing the powers, okay, whatever value is get, the unit place always should be 6. Means that we can see that 6 power n means any value, any number on the power for any positive integer, and any positive integer means 4, 3, 1, 5. Again next step is 6 to the power of 5 in place of any integer, in place of any integer, and is 6. Any power, we are taking the any power, whatever values get, the unit place is always 6 is 6. Okay, the unit digit is always 6. Can you observe 6 is there at unit place? Unit place is first place at unit place, what we have 6 6 6 6 means the unit digit of 6 power 10 is 6 is also 6 means we are increasing up to 10 to the power of 100, 6 to the power of 100. It also gets some value, and that value the unit place is always 6 Okay, just it is your answer. Just you have to write the up to 4 and up to so on. Just you have to write this point. Okay, that answer is completed. Okay today next we are starting our exercise 1.3. Okay, in 1.3 first one is that write the following rational number in the decimal form. What we have to do? It is a rational number or not, it is p by q form or not. What we have to do? Just this rational number we have to convert into the decimal form. Okay, and also state which are terminating and which are non-terminating, and decimal repeating decimal means terminating or non-terminating means after doing the long division method, when we get the remainder as 0, means it is a terminating. Okay okay, we are doing the long division method after getting the after playing some rule, after getting some values, the remainder is 0 means it is a terminating. When we not get the 0, the process is repeating means it is a non-terminating. Okay can I follow my points Okay, what we have to do in this bit, just you have to convert this value into the decimal form, and also what we have to do, and also state which are terminating and non-terminating, and we are also state that After doing the process, we also state that when we get the 0, that means it is a terminating. When we not get the 0 in the remainder, it is a non-terminating. Okay. Let's we are solving the first problem to understand better. Okay. Here is the first one question. What is 3 divided by 8? What we have to do? Denominator is the denominator is written as a divisor and numerator is written as dividend. Okay. 3 is there. I am taking only 8, only 3. Okay. 3 is not divisible by 8. What we have to do? We have to take the 0 point. Means 0 point. After taking the 0 point, we are taking the 0. Means 3 become 30. Okay. We have to check whether the 30 is come in 8th table or not. It is not get 30. Okay. We have to take the smaller number. What we get? 8 3 is 8. 3 is 24. What we have to do? Just we have to do the subtract of both numbers. Okay. 30 minus 24 is 6. Okay. 30 minus 24 is 6. Okay. Here 6 is not divisible by 8. 6 is not divisible by 8. What we have to do? Again we are taking the 0. Means 6 becomes 60. We have to check whether the 60 is come in 8 table or not. 60 not come in the 8 table. What we have to do? We have to take the smaller number. Okay. What we have to do? Smaller number means 60. 56. When we get 56, 8 7s are 56. What we have to do? We have to do the subtraction of both numbers. 60 minus 56 means 4. Okay. 4. 4 again is not divisible by 4 is not come in 8th table. What we have to do? We are taking the 0 point now. I am taking the 0 here. Okay. 0. 4 become 40. When we get 48, 5s are 40. Here when we are getting the 0. Okay. 0. 3 divided by 8. The decimal form is, what is the decimal form? This number, the rational number decimal form is 0.375. The decimal number is 3 minus 8 is equals to decimal. It is a rational number. It is a decimal form. Okay. 0.375. Again, after taking the decimal, what we have to state that? Also state that it is a terminating or non-terminating. Here we are get the 0. Here we are getting the 0 means it is a terminating decimal. Can I understand the answer? Just you have to find the decimal point. First we have to find the decimal point. After finding the decimal point, when we get the 0 means it is a terminating decimal. Okay. Denominator should always take here and numerator should have to take here. When we not come in, just we have to take the 0 point. After taking the 0 point, do the 1 by 1 step. Okay, this is one is completed. Okay, second one I also explain you. Divisor, what is the numerator? Denominator is take it as divisor and numerator is dividend. Okay, 400. And take what we have the question 229. Okay, 229 is your question. 229 is not come in 400. It is not come. What we have to do? We have to take a 0 point. After taking a 0 point, we can write it as a 0. Okay. What we after writing 0, what we have 2290. We have to check this values come in the 4 table or not, 400 table or not. It is not come. It is not divisible by 400. We are taking the smaller than that number. When what we get 2000 400 5s are 2000. After subtracting the both number, what we get? We get the 290. What we get? 290. 290 is not comes in 400, not is divisible by 400. What we have to do? We have to taking as 0. We are taking again 0. Till that is our answer. Till that 290 is our answer. 290 is not comes the table. We are taking the 0 point. By taking the 0 point, we are taking the 0. Okay. What we have? 200 and 900. 200. We have to check that 2900 is divisible by 400 or not. It is not divisible by 400. We are taking the smaller number. What is this? 2800. 2800. When we come 400 7s are 2800. After subtracting the 200 is there, 900 and 800. What is get after subtracting the both numbers? We get 100 only. Okay, 100. 100 is not comes of 4 table. 100 is not divisible of 500. What we have to do? We have to taking the 1 0. After taking the 1 0, 100 become 1000. Okay, whether we have to check the 1000 is divisible by 400 or not. It is not divisible by, we are taking the smaller number. 4000 2s are 800. 400 2s are 800. What we have to do here? We have to do the subtraction. 1000 minus 800. What we get? Only 200. Okay, 200 is not divisible by 400. We are taking the one more 0 means 200 become 2000. 2000 is come in the 4 table means 400 5s are 200 means we get the 0. What is the decimal form of 2? What is the decimal form of 2? This number is 0.5725. Okay. 229 divided by 400 is equal to, it is a decimal form 0.5725. Okay. And we have to also state it is a terminating or non-terminating. Here we get the 0 or not ma. We are getting the 0 na, means it is a terminating. Okay ma, it is a terminating. We are solving the first one question and second one question. I am also explain the third one question. Just you have to take the homework, second one and fourth one, last fourth one and fifth one. I am explaining the one more. It is a question of what is that? 4 into 1 by 5. What is given that? 4 into 1 by 5 can be written as 4 plus 1 by 5. This value can be written as this. Okay. For this, what we have to derive? We have to derive this value. It is a normal number. It is a fraction. Just we have to derive this number. Okay. First derive the 1 by 5. Here numerator is right in this here, and denominator is right here. Okay. 1 is not divisible by 5. Okay, 1 is not divisible by 5. What we have to do? We have to take the 0 point. Okay, 0 point. When we take the 0 point means we can write it as 0. Okay, 1 become 10 now. Okay, when we get 10, 10 is divisible by 5. When 5 2s are 10. Okay, 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay, what is the value? 1 by 5 is 0.5. 0.2. What is the value of 1 by 5? 0.2. 1 by 5 is equals to 0.2. Okay. This value is substituting here. This value is substitute here. Means 4 plus 1 by 5. 4 plus 0.2. Okay. 4 plus 0. Just we have to substitute this value in here. Okay. After adding the both number 4.2. Okay. 4.2. It is a terminating. We are getting the 0 number means it is a terminating. The decimal form. Here I am getting the 0 number. 0 is getting means it is a terminating. It is a fractional. It is a mixed fraction. It is a rational number. We are converting into the decimal. What is the decimal of this number? 4.2. Okay ma. I am explaining the first 3 questions. Just you have to write this fourth one and fifth one. Okay. Today's class is completed. Whatever I give you homework problem, just you have to complete, and whatever I explain, that one also submit. That you have to submit whatever discussed in the class and whatever I give the homework. Okay. Complete notes you have to submit in the group. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.